Okay, so good evening, everyone. Before starting with the session, I want to ask, did you guys try whatever I taught in the previous session? Any one of you can just message in the chat. Did any one of you even try anything? Okay, let's not talk about trying. Did any one of you install whatever I told? Either Android Studio or VS Code with Flutter. Did any one of you even try to install? Okay, Lakshana, did you try or did you install? Or both? Yeah, of course.
I installed it, Flutter and Android Studio, but I didn't try.
Okay, you installed it. Very good. At least you installed. Okay, others, if you don't answer, I'll have to ask you individually. So please either write in the chat or just unmute yourself and answer. Okay, no one is saying anything. Okay, Vishal Kumar has installed. Okay, very good. Okay, yes. What did you install, Vishal Kumar? Did you install Android Studio or did you install Flutter? I mean, sorry, VS Code. Android Studio. And did you install Flutter plugin along with that, or you have you were facing any issues or something? You didn't. No, I just stopped over there. Okay, so you didn't install. Okay, I installed now. Flutter, right? You can just unmute yourself and answer. I mean, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Okay, so all of you who haven't installed anything yet, were you guys facing any issues or something? Like, what was stopping you from installing all of that? I have got many messages. I mean, yeah, people were facing many issues. So if you are facing any issues, you can directly tell me. Okay, otherwise I'll just start asking. Okay, Anune Prakash, did you install anything? Updating. Updating. Flutter. Okay, okay, fine. It's all right. Okay, then we'll move to Chandana. Did you install? Chandana, are you there? My laptop has a bit problem. Okay, no problem. I'm not any strict person. I've seen you guys don't even interact in the group also. Are you guys afraid of me or something? Like, I don't understand. Okay, Dharmic17. Did you install Android Studio or VS Code? Anything? No. Okay. Why? Were you facing any problems? Yeah, of course we can do with VS Code. There's no problem with VS Code. Okay. Okay, what problems did your laptop have? Was it any network issue or some configurations? Yes, of course. Yes, Ritika, we need to install Flutter plugin along with VS Code. I'll just, if you are facing any issues, I'll just demonstrate it to you how you have to set up your VS Code for Flutter programming and even Android Studio also. So if you guys are facing any issues, you can just tell me. I will demonstrate it to you once. Okay. Okay, so do you have any problems? Okay, Ravi Kumar, did you install? No Gradle for VS Code. No, no, it's not needed. Okay, Ravi Kumar, I don't think he's there. Okay. Okay, I'll just start with the demonstration once. If like I think most of you are facing the same issues. Okay, let's begin. So, okay, Ravi Kumar is also having network issues. Okay, if you guys are having network issues and you can't tell, like, you can still chat, right? You can at least tell that you have installed or not. That doesn't, like, he can write network issues, but yeah, Ravi Kumar, welcome back. You can write network issue here, but you cannot write if you've installed or not. I'm just asking you to write something. You've installed or not, just a little sentence like yes, I have installed, or no, I have not installed. That's it. Okay, I'll just start with the demonstration once, as I have got many messages regarding that. Please tell how to install and stuff. Okay, is my screen visible to you guys? Okay. Okay, now okay,
Yes.
now for Flutter, all you need to do is just search Flutter and you'll just get this Google page. You'll get flutter.dev. This is the one you have to install. Click on it, and yes, you will see all these design beautiful apps and all that. You don't have to scroll through everything. Just click on get started here. Okay. Oh, yes, one more thing. Please, those who have not installed, try to install it along with me. Okay, that will be easier for you also. Okay, now you have done get started. So for Windows, you'll do Windows, then Mac OS, you can click here, Linux, you can click here, Chrome OS again. So I'll take Windows because my laptop works on Windows operating system. Then it is just as simple. It is, they have given all the instructions like how to install and everything. So just go here, get Flutter SDK. You'll just click here and then it will download. I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it. You click here and then, or you can do this. You can just go open your command prompt and you can just type this. I mean, copy and paste this. Okay, in your command prompt. Okay. Again, I have installed, so I'm not installing it again. Now, after installing, what you have to do, you have to update your path in the environment variables. Now, where are the environment variables? You don't have to do anything, just type env here. You'll get edit system environment variables. Here you will get environment variables. Click here. Then you will have to go to path. Okay, this is path. You just double click here and you will see all these paths here. See, I have already added this path, installed Flutter bin. Okay, you just have to do new, and then you have to add where, if whatever directory you have stored the Flutter bin, that directory you have to add here. Okay, so I had added it in D drive installed folder, Flutter folder. There we had bin. So I just typed that. You have to type your location, your path. Okay, now I have already added, so I'm not adding it again. Now again, you don't have to do anything, you just have to follow these instructions. See, they have given under user variables, check if there is any entry called path. If there exists, append the full path to flutter slash bin. Okay, they have given everything. Okay, now you can check this in your command prompt only. You will get certain. Also, you, if you don't want to open command prompt along with your Android Studio, there we also have another terminal. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, we have this terminal. Here you can directly check the Flutter Doctor command. You don't have to open command from prompt from somewhere else. Just move it here. Yeah. Okay, you can just paste it like this and it will run Doctor summary. Yeah, it will run and give everything that your Flutter is this on Microsoft Windows, channel is stable, everything. And it's still running. It's checking Android licenses, all that. So some Android licenses not accepted. I'll resolve this later on. Okay, after doing that, we'll go to Android setup. Okay, instead of that, you can just set up any editor you want. Okay, see, install Android Studio. You guys know how to install Android Studio. Click here and then the tab will open. Yeah, my net is quite slow. Guys, am I audible to you all? Because I think I'm speaking a bit low in a low tone.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, okay. Then you just click here, download Android Studio. It is 871 MB. It will just get downloaded. Okay. And yeah, Dart plugins. Of course, I'll show you. Let me just close this project. Close project. Yeah, now see there is this configure. Okay, you just click here, configure, and then you need to go to plugins. Okay. Now here what you need to do is first wait for it to load or yeah, then you can click like type Flutter. Okay, sorry, Flutter, and see you'll get this. So I have installed it. You have to click on install. Okay, it will get installed and yeah, I have only Flutter. Okay, yeah, and it will install Dart plugin along with it. You don't have to search Dart again. When you click on that install Flutter, it will ask you if you want to install Dart as well. Just click yes, and then it will install. Okay, now you have configured it. Now, yeah, see, select Flutter plugin and click install. Click yes when prompted to install the Dart plugin. Yeah, see, everything is given. Now we'll go for where was VS Code. I think I need to, yeah, VS Code. So install VS Code. Of course, from here you will install VS Code. See, download for Windows or see Mac OS, anything. You will download from here. Then we'll come back here. Then we'll go invoke view command palette. So we'll just go here.
Nice
Okay.
wallpaper.
Okay, we'll wait for it to load because my system is quite slow. Sorry for the delay. Okay, now we'll close folder again because all of this. Yeah, now what we had to do? Yeah, we had to go to command palette and we have to install extensions. We don't need to do that. We can just directly, yeah, extensions are here and we'll go for Flutter. Oh, again, Flutter. Okay, now see, when you click on it, it will just come Flutter, and when you click on install, it will again ask that do you want to install Dart also, everything. You just have to click yes. Okay, so we'll do that and then we'll install it, then validate our step with Flutter Doctor as we did before. As you can, yeah, here also we have a terminal. So yeah, new terminal. We can just run Flutter Doctor here. Okay. Yeah, it will keep running. Yeah, see again, some Android licenses not accepted. I'll resolve this later on. So was this clear? Did you guys? Okay, installed. Okay. Yeah, so was this clear, this part? Hello? Guys, yes, at least respond. If you don't want to unmute yourself, you can just write in the chat. There's not a problem in that. Okay. So, will you be able to install it now? Those who have not installed? I think most of you have installed already. Yeah. So, will you be able to install? Okay. Now, was there any other issue that you were facing somehow? Because I want all of these beginner issues to be cleared before we move to real coding. Was there any other issue? Please write in the chat box itself or just unmute yourself and ask. Okay, no issues. You guys don't respond at all. Okay. So, another thing that we want to set up before moving to the coding part is our emulator, or we can connect our phone directly. So, I'll just demonstrate it to you. First, we'll do emulator. Okay, restart. Okay. Yeah, first we'll install emulator. Okay. So my Android, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So my Android Studio is restarting. So first, I don't think we can do emulator without Android Studio. So we'll first do um, our this connecting phone using USB debugger. Okay. So for that, I'll just show you my phone. Wait a second. Mm, I'm sorry, guys. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what you guys need to do is go to your settings. Okay. Now when you are in your settings, just go to, yeah, of course, for every phone the developer options are um, in at different places. Okay, for some you need to tap on something else, and for others you have to tap on something else. So I'm just showing for Redmi Note 8, as you can see here. So we'll just click on about phone, and then we'll go to MIUI version, and then we'll click it 7 times. But see, no need, you are already a developer. So as I am already a developer, it's no need to do this for me. Okay, when you do that, whenever you connect your phone through USB, you'll get you'll get something like this, USB debugging connected. Okay, and also you will get a notification kind of thing in which it will ask that do you allow this system to debug your mobile phone through USB. You just have to click yes. Okay, that's enough. And then whenever you whenever you develop an application, you just have to click, if you are on VS Code, you just have to click F5 to start it running. Okay, now as you can see, it is Redmi Note 8, it will show here. And similarly on Android Studio, okay, first application we were there, on Android Studio it will load and load. Still loading. Okay, see, it is built. Now it will install. I think it's installing, or no, it is just built. It has already been installed. Now here, in Android Studio, as you can see, this will show Redmi Note 8. The mobile will be shown here, and you can just easily run your application using this button. Okay, run. And then you can, yeah, you will see on the console launching this on this phone, running Gradle task and all, and then your application will be launched. Suppose I close it. Okay, now when it runs completely, it will just launch your application. Okay, now we'll go to emulator. Okay, I'm not going to install emulator on my laptop because its configurations are very less and I don't want my laptop to burn. So please understand my situation. I will just tell you how to install it. You'll go here, AVD manager. AVD means Android virtual device. Okay, now you will click on that and then wait for it to load. Yeah, and then you will create a virtual device. Okay, when you click on create a virtual device, it will show you a lot of options: TV, phone, like I don't know what this is, tablet. Okay, and then you can just click on whatever phone you want, or maybe create another. There was, yeah, clone device or something. Yeah, you can create your own for here. Okay, and then you can click next, and then you have to download. Okay, you have to, and then you have to see that the API level here should match your, where was it? Okay, I'll have to cancel it. Okay, your API level there should match your API level in the Gradle. Okay, Android here, here, but that's not something you have to worry about right now, because where is target? Yes, the minimum SDK version here and target SDK version is 28 and minimum is 16. Okay, every almost every phone right now has the SDK version between these two. Okay, so that's not a problem. So you don't have to worry about all this right now. So all you have to do is create a virtual device, click on anything you want, click next, download. Okay, now see the API level is 30, 29, 28. Okay, and yeah, okay, and the ABI is 86 and everything. Okay, and yes, one more thing, if you are using any Google APIs, you will have to check the operating system you are downloading here should have Google APIs. Right now all of them have Google APIs, so you don't have to worry. Download any one of all these. Okay, so I think now this is also clear. Once you have created a virtual device here, you can also access it from your VS Code. Okay, so if you want to create a virtual device, you will have to have Android Studio, otherwise your phone is good enough. And one more thing, I prefer my connected mobile phone, because not only because my laptop doesn't support that AVDs that in a good manner, or I'm afraid that my laptop will burn or anything, but there's one more reason. The AVD gets like, whenever there is an infinite loop, like for by mistake you put an infinite loop in your program or application, then the AVD will just keep on loading. It will just keep on loading again and again and again, and it will pressurize your laptop so much that it will get heated up so much that I think your fan might get destroyed or something. Okay, sometimes it even um, shuts down on its own. Okay, the laptop, and it doesn't even shut on like you cannot even turn it on again. Okay, like some problems occur whenever there is an infinite loop and you are using your emulator. But with phone it will just simply show a window or something that this is the problem, and it will stop. So it will be good for you if you use your mobile phone rather than emulator. I mean, it's your choice only, but I was just telling my preference. Okay, so was this part clear?
I have connected my phone, but the phone is not getting displayed on the screen. So how
Yeah,
to do that?
okay, you won't be getting your phone on the screen. I use this visor application for that, so that I can show you my phone simultaneously. Okay.
Okay.
You'll just operate your phone from your phone itself. Okay, you won't get it on your screen.
So
Okay,
each time it gets downloaded in my phone directly.
it won't get downloaded, it will just get updated in your phone. Okay, yeah, in your phone directly. Yes, if you want to download it, I'll show you how to sh- I'll show you how to download Visor and how to display your phone on the screen. Just wait a
Okay.
second. Okay, so yes, we'll go here, Visor. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, when you search Visor, you'll get this visor.io, the first link. You just click here and you will download this. Okay, the same application you have to download in your phone as well. Okay, oh, sorry. The same application you have to download in your phone as well. I'll just go to Play Store and you have to download Visor. Okay, yeah, okay, you just have to download it and in your PC also. Okay, then you can connect your phone to your screen and you can easily yeah, and you can easily click on everything through your screen also. Okay, this is a very good application you can use. Right now I don't have any buttons to click, but yes, I can click back, then I can open Chrome, then home, so I can do all that. Okay, from your laptop only. Okay, okay, was this clear? Can we
Yeah, yeah.
use GPU for Android Studio? Okay, I don't. Yeah, okay. GPU, I think. Yeah, GPU. Okay, I'm confused here. Sorry. Um, okay, I'll just check about it and then I'll get back to you if that's fine, Manish. Yeah, yeah. I think most probably it's yes only, but I'll just confirm it once and then I'll get back to you. Okay. Okay. So, do you guys have any issues regarding whatever I told right now? Can you guys install everything now? Okay. Okay, so can any one of you tell me who had already installed all of this, whatever I just told, except Visor, of course. I think there was someone who said he had installed. Um, Vishal Kumar, is he here? Yes, Vishal Kumar, you installed, I think, everything. Okay, yes, Anune Prakash also, yes. So, Anune Prakash, did you try all of that, whichever I taught in the previous session? The mini application, it was just a container and some text. Did you try that? And Lakshna also. Stateless and stateful widget. Yes, I did. Okay. Okay, I'm just requesting this again, you guys. All of you just keep on doing whatever I teach. I'll just give some time for you to catch up with me. Okay, and then we'll do everything together. If I tell you something, you implement it on your own. If you get something like we can do this or what if we do this, you get some questions like that, you can just Okay, will you be teaching how to integrate ML model in Android Studio? Yes, of course, that can be done using REST API and everything. I'll teach you afterwards. Manish, please relax. Okay, yeah. So what was I telling? Yeah, so do everything with me. Like if I add just one line of code, I'll give some time to you guys to add that and to do experiments with that. What if we wrap this with center, or what if we do this with rows and columns? You can just check everything. Okay, I think only 25 minutes are left, so I'll just tell you the properties of a container. So I'll show you, and those who have installed, or yeah, most, I think, yeah, some of you have installed, so please do it with me. Okay, and rest of you, I'll ask you guys after this session. Whenever you want the next session, we'll give that time to you, and till that time you'll have to install everything, and you'll have to work with everything that has been done till now. Okay, so I'll just move to properties of a container. It might take some time. Okay, so we were here in the main.dart. Okay, do you guys remember what we did before? Yes, someone said stateless and stateful widget. So can any one of you tell me what an stateless widget is? Anyone?
It cannot be changed by the user.
Okay, and what is an stateful widget?
Any widget that can be changed by the user, like buttons, like going to some other thing.
Okay, somewhat right. Okay, now can anyone wait? I'll just check who all are there. Um, okay, Neelu Kumari. Can you tell me how to bring some container or text in the center of the screen?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
In last session, I didn't attend the whole session due to internet problem.
Okay, 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 no problem. Can anyone else answer that?
By giving the command center.
Okay, yes, we can wrap it with center. Correct. Okay, so that's all we did before. We'll just move here. Yeah, so right now our floating action button is not doing anything. It won't do anything for a while. We'll just come to container. What we did, the arguments in the container were width, height, color, and a child. We gave it a child that was center and then text. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll give it um, some decoration. Okay, so we'll do decoration, and then it will take box decoration. Okay, because it is a box. Okay, container is actually a box, but when you put the command decoration, you have to put color inside the decoration. Okay, we'll check what will happen if we just run it like this. It will give this error. See, color is equal to null, decoration is equal to null. Okay, so we'll have to put color inside decoration. Okay, and then we'll reload it and see, we can change the color, make it blue. Okay, so whenever you add decoration to a container, you'll have to put color inside the box decoration. Okay, now it has some other properties like border. So border can be border dot all, and then you can give something to, I think, we'll just check what it offers. Color, we can give color, then we can give width. Okay, so yes. it will give 3. 3.2 is always in double. If you write 3, it will just convert it to 3.1 something on its own. Okay, and we'll give color colors dot white. Let's give white. Okay, and we'll check what happens. Okay, yeah, see, there is a border. Okay, white color border. Now, one more thing I'd like to tell you guys about app development is that not just app development, it's about everything, every coding you do. You have to run and check everything. You just can't expect answer without checking. Okay, your code cannot run completely correctly in the first attempt. Okay, yeah, if it runs that good, that's good enough. But if it doesn't, you don't have to give up or something. You just have to keep trying. And what if you don't know something, like what will this function do, what will that function do? Like right now I didn't know what arguments I had to put in border.all. So I checked it. It was showing some box, suggestion box here. I checked it from there. Okay, so some way or the other, if it had not shown any suggestion box, I would have googled it in front of you guys. I have no shame. Okay, so if you are not getting any answer, it doesn't mean that you can't check it or you can't search it. And if you are thinking of something like, can I try this, can I try that, don't ask someone, just try it. You'll get to know what will happen if you try that. Okay, now I think we'll go with border radius. Okay, so now border radius can be, see, border dot all, border this, but what do we want? We want border radius, not border dot all and all that. Border radius. Okay, now it's border radius dot all, border radius dot circular, border radius dot horizontal. And okay, we'll try with only. Okay, so see, this takes this top left. Okay, this takes top left radius, top right radius. Okay, all of that. So you can give different radius to. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you can give different radius to different parts of your box. Okay, suppose I give it 50. Okay, okay, some error is there. The argument type double can't be assigned to a parameter. Okay, yes, you'll have to write border radius or something like that. Okay, what do we have to write here? I think only radius we have to write. Radius dot circular will give it 30. Okay, 30.0. Okay, now we'll check. See, only the top left corner has been rounded off. Okay, so this is because we have put top left radius dot circular. Okay, now we'll go to top right. Okay, yeah, I'll just have some indentation here. Okay, this all has to be in box decoration. You cannot have all these properties without your box decoration. Okay, then we'll do again radius dot circular. We'll make it 5 this time. Okay, see, now this is very less rounded. Okay, this is very less. I can't see any rounding there, round portion there. Sorry. Let's make it 20. Yeah, now see, now there's a difference. Can you see the difference between the portion at the top left and the portion at the top right? Can you see this difference? I think that's pretty much clear. But if you give different radius to different parts of your container, it will not look good. So we won't be taking border radius dot only. Instead, we'll take border radius dot circular, and then we'll give some radius like 25 or something. to give to get a rounded square. Okay, see, now this looks pretty nice. We can also give something like 50, and then we'll check what happens. And what if we give 100? Reload. Okay, and so what do we have to do to make it a circle? We'll just keep on increasing the value. Okay, yeah, now it's a circle. So that's how you can make a square into a circle. That's very easy. So since I told you I'll give you some time, so those who have not yet completed it can complete it right now. I'm just showing the code to you. If you want to change anything, or if you want to experiment anything, just feel free to try it. Okay, and even tell me that can you try this? You can just tell me directly that should we try this or something, or you can try it on your own. And if you get something interesting, just tell me. Okay. So was I clear till now? Is anyone trying? Guys, is any one of you trying? Anyone at least? Okay, no one is trying. I'll just assume that no one is trying at all. If you're not trying, I don't think it's any point of me teaching here. Okay, there's just no point of me teaching here. Because you have to try. Without trying, how will you know what happens when? Okay, where was that guy? Anune Prakash, did you try? Anune? Or if you can tell me if you're still trying. I'll just put on the code again. I know this. Okay, fine. You know this. Is there anyone else who is new to this? Okay, no one is there. Okay, we'll move ahead. So after border radius, what? Okay, Anune knows this. So Anune, what property do you want me to try next? And those who have not joined with their laptops right now can should just join with their laptops from the next session onwards. Okay. 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 So, what property should I try next? Can anyone tell me? Okay. Let me just go to Google and we'll get all the properties. Or box decoration. Box decoration. Okay. We'll come here. This is a painting library. Okay, we'll check everything what it can. Box decoration, it can have an image also. Right now I don't have any image. Oh yes, you cannot just directly put a image path in Flutter and expect it to work. You have to add dependency also. So I'll be teaching image and all that later on. Border we have done. Okay, border radius also we have done. Is there anything else? I think these are the arguments. Yeah, we can do box shadow. Okay, we'll move to light mode for that. Okay, this is yes, box shadow is a list of shadows cast by this box. Okay, now let us go and check what happens. Okay, this is just we'll go box shadow. Okay, see, this is a list of box shadow. Okay, this is not just a simple argument, it is a list. We'll copy this. First we'll move to light mode. Okay, so how do we go to light mode? We'll just make this light or remove it. Okay, I'm doing this so that you can see. Yes, we have to change the color of the border also for that, so that you guys are able to see it. Okay, so we'll make it black, then we'll reload it. Okay, now the container is in center and it has a border. Now we have to put box shadow. Okay, blur radius is the radius at which it will just remove this for now. No, we cannot remove it. It has to be there, but we'll just give a very little value here. We'll give 1.0. Okay, now we'll reload. You don't see any difference. Okay, now we'll give 5 and we'll reload. You see a shadow. I think there's a shadow, very little bit of area it is covering. So the blur radius is the radius with in which the shadow appears. Okay, so we'll make it 10. And now the blur radius is quite bigger, so you can see a bigger shadow. And if we make it 20, you have to try all these things. Okay, see, it is getting bigger. And then we'll try 50. Okay, now the shadow is so much bigger. Okay, but this is not looking good, so I'll give it 20. Okay, see, now your container has this little shadow, and I think that's all that is important for a container to have. We'll make it square again. Yes. Now what we need to do is we'll yeah, it has a child text. Yes, we'll see what happens if we have some properties in text style. Okay, so we had color, we had font size. We'll increase the font size, we'll make it 25. Yes, the text is bigger. And then we'll add font weight maybe. Okay, now font weight means you'll have to add bold, okay, or normal, or values or something. Values you can give, but we'll just stay with bold. Okay, now the text will become bold. See, now the text is bold. Okay, similarly, if you want to do it italics, so italics is not given in font weight, so that you can get bold and italics both. So we'll get font style, and then we'll get font style dot italic. Okay, now we'll check. Okay, there's this error, font style. Okay, comma wasn't there. Comma is very important, guys. Okay, now it's italic also. Okay, I think I wasted a lot of time with the installation and all, so we'll just do this much because I want to start row and column, but it will take a lot of time, so I don't think I'll be able to finish it if I start it right now. So we'll just start it anew from next session. So yeah, I'm sorry if you think your time has been wasted with all this installation and stuff, but I was getting many requests that I don't know how to install and everything. So yeah, this is it, I think. Do you guys have any doubts? Okay, yeah, when I was coding, was I not audible?
You were audible.
Okay. Sound was less. Yeah, I got that also from one of my friends, that I was not audible while I was coding. I think that's because I the mic is away when I code and I hold it. Why not use XML? Yeah, XML will use with Java and Kotlin. Okay, we won't be using XML with, yeah, we'll be using that with Java and Kotlin. Right now we'll do Flutter, because Flutter seems to be very supportive right now for beginners. Isn't it easier? No, Flutter is easier. Flutter is easier than Java and Kotlin. And yes, XML, you think that it is easier, but all you do is drag and drop stuff. That's not app development. It's Flutter is easier because the backend development in Flutter is very simple as compared to even that is easier. Yeah, I know drag and drop is easier. I know drag and drop is easier, but backend there is not as easy as in Flutter. Yeah, so those who want to develop in Java and Kotlin, there's this good news for you. There's this good news for you. In Java and Kotlin, you don't have to develop any front end. I mean, you have to develop front end, but that won't be coding. You will just have to drag and drop some of the stuffs on the screen, and it will develop your screen on its own. And if you want to add something, you can add something in the XML file. But the easier part is you can just drag and drop stuff. So yeah, people are getting, yes, good. Finally someone is responding. I'm so happy. Yeah, back, of course backend is more important. Yes, of course. I seriously, I just tell people that please focus on backend more, you focus on front end. Yeah, even I myself am a backend developer. I just suck, honestly, I suck at front end because I don't know what will look good with what. And honestly, I'm a bit of colorblind, so yeah, there's this problem with me. So backend is, obviously I know backend is more important. Okay, sorry, I overshared again. Yeah, front end is easier. Even if you know how to develop backend, you will be getting way easily ahead with your front end. Okay, but if you only know front end, I don't think you will be able to develop an application. Okay, like what application has only front end? I think none of them. So yes, we'll be focusing on backend soon. First, let's get the basics of Flutter clear, and then we'll be just working on backend everything. Okay, and we'll be developing the UI based on the backend only. Yeah, I know that Flutter is too slow. Yes, you're right. Okay, so we'll be having next session soon. We won't be having any 1 week gap in between because this part of Flutter is quite easy. So we'll just wrap it up as fast as we can. So guys, please you tell in the our group that when do you want the next session. Okay, and also one more thing before ending this session, we have one competition. Okay, it is basically based on analysis of data, and you'll have to uh, make a report or something. I don't know much about it, so I'll be just sharing. Yeah, I'll share the code. Yes, Lakshna, I'll share the code. It will be on GitHub. Okay, so there's this competition. I think you all should participate. It's really good. It's free of cost, and still if you win you'll be getting 3000 rupees. If you are second you'll get 2000. It's free of cost, and this much money I won't give it up. If I weren't in this club I would have participated seriously. So please participate. I'll share the link again on the group. I have already shared, but I'll share it again, and also I'll share the code. Yeah, and I don't think we need, do we need this video also, do we need this recording, guys? Today's session, do we need the recording? Okay, anyway, I'll just share it with you. It's your call to watch it or not, but I'll share every recording and every code with you all. Okay, so I think we should end this. Thank you for being such an awesome audience and not responding for a while. Okay, thank you. Okay, you can exit.